Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily reverse a clip inside of Premiere Pro. Now there's many different reasons you might want to be doing this. You may be trying to do some sort of rewind effect or something like that. And we're going to jump in and show you exactly how to do that now. So there's two ways to actually do it. They both lead to the same method, but it's just two kind of ways to go about it. So the first way, and probably the most simple way if you're not sure what your keybinds are, is to just get your clip here, right click on it. You just want to look for speed/duration. So when you click on that, it will bring up this thing and you can adjust the speed from here. But what it also allows us to do is reverse speed, which basically reverses the clip. So if we go ahead and click to tick that and click OK, as you can see, it's now changed. It's now gone in reverse and the ball will land at his feet instead of him kicking the ball. So in my opinion, it's a bit slow to right click and go to speed and duration every single time you want to reverse a clip. If you're using it quite often throughout your sequence, you probably want a faster way of doing it. So the way I do it is I click on my clip and I just hold down Control and then I press R. And as you can see, it brings up the same window we were just on. It's a lot quicker and we can get to this point a lot easier. And then from here, just like we just did, reverse speed, OK, and there you go. The clip is now in reverse. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to reverse your clips inside of Premiere Pro. If you did, please comment down below that it worked and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.